Hello, I'm the grandparent of the school. My grandson is studying the second standard of Graduate. Our school has been selected as the best school for implementing online education. It's very useful. During my daughter's absence, it was easy for me to go through the website and do the day-to-day activities, what is happening in the school. I did not come to the teacher and ask her what is happening. So it was easy for me to follow what happened the previous week and what is going to happen the next week also. The schedule was given in the website. So for me to take him for other activities and extracurricular also, it was easy for us to schedule the whole week's program. The user interface is very friendly, which enables me to use it with ease, even though I am not a technology person. It's user friendly, thanks to Bhavans.
I have two children, one studying in 6th and another studying in 3rd. When I came for my daughter's application form for her LKG admission, I had to stand in the queue to get the form. Whereas a matter of 2 years, for my son, I could sit at home and do the online application. It was like very fast. Everything when it comes to the school, right from the time of information given to us, declaration of leave, report cards, everything is done through the net. We have Yammer, where all the schedules have been posted, homework, class schedules, everything is there for us, right at our fingertips.
My child started, the first one is in second standard and the second child is in LKG. So the difference that you can see is the user interfaces are better, the online application form is much better. Children get to use smart boards in school, so there is technology involved even in imparting education. And if I need to take a bona fide certificate for any reason, I don't have to come to the school. It's at the convenience of a click of a button. Any little process what can avoid a parent to come to the office, the effort has been taken, and the continuous effort that is being taken by the school and the principal to provide this comfort to the parents is really appreciated. Teachers and principals work 24/7 to approve these leave applications. That is only possible because of the technology that they are using. So for me, the key has been communication and the technology that's been used. The health aspect of the child, school is a primary place where the progress of the child, whether it is physically or emotionally, is being monitored. And in that aspect, the school has taken extra efforts to start recording or documenting it in their database.
So basically when the child leaves the school, say 10th or 12th, with the transfer certificate and mark sheets and all that, the plan is to give the vaccination records also. If the child is going abroad, most of the universities need these health records. So it makes work a lot more easier for us.
Yes.
If you ask me what I expect from a school as a parent, I would say the most important thing is the overall development of my child in a very calm and serene atmosphere. And I must vouch for the fact that that's the kind of education that my children get today at Bhavans. In fact, over the last 7 years that I walked the Bhavans campus, the school has evolved every single day, be it in terms of education, be it in terms of sports, or be it in technology. And kudos to Ajit sir and his team for that marvelous efforts. Coming back to overall development, what do I mean by overall development? I think the three important things we consider as the overall development would be academic excellence, striving to excel in sports, and building overall confidence in the child so that she or he faces the world in a holistic way. And this is very well balanced in the Bhavans campus. Every single technology that comes is implemented to improve on education. They constantly strive to excel in sports even outside school hours. And when it comes to stage performance, every child is a hero here. So everybody is given a fair opportunity to take center stage and to exhibit their talent. It really amazes me as to how they go about doing that, striving to get a right balance. But now there are a lot of schools in Chennai which do consider to bring in all these three aspects into child's development. What is that which makes Bhavan's really different? Is that if you look into any recent educational journals, it clearly says that today's parents are more anxious than the kids themselves when it comes to education. And one more clear finding is that parents definitely need more information from the school side and they require those open communication channels. This is exactly where Bhavan's clearly stands out because they completely believe in having open communication with parents. Be it, they have a lot of good IT information and IT system in place, very enterprising and easy to use system. Be it the school skies where they constantly post homeworks, any updates on the kids, being leave, absenteeism or anything is given to us continuously. So it kind of bridges any anxiety gaps or communication gaps. Even the unique communication platform is the Microsoft app, the Yammer which they use. That kind of promotes a very interesting two-way communication channel. All the needs or all the queries of the parents are addressed constantly in Yammer and on a daily basis, which can be very challenging for the school as well. The teachers, the principal are always there to guide us, so we have a lot of confidence on that school. We kind of know that the school is never going to let us down, so that's the kind of confidence we have in Bhavan's. And I must say that at Bhavan's, the dictum is to constantly evolve and improve in every aspect of education. And I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude to Principal Ajit Sir and entire Bhavan's team. The philosophy at Bhavan's school is change and constant evolution, and I'm really glad that my children are part of this family. Thank you so much.